everyone, my name is Berna Tolate and I'm from BSHM Block 37. Today, I'll be sharing my reaction to the Internet of Things or IoT. In simple terms, IoT is a network of interconnected devices that can communicate and exchange data over the Internet. This allows every object to become smart and responsive. The IoT functions by embedding sensors, software, and other technologies into physical objects. This data can be used to automate processes, monitor conditions, and provide valuable insights. For example, smart home devices use sensors to track temperature, light, light levels, and motion, and then use that data to adjust settings automatically. One of the key advantages of IoT is convenience. Smart devices can automate tasks, making our lives easier and more efficient. For instance, smart thermostats can optimize energy usage and smart appliances can be controlled remotely. However, there are significant disadvantages. Security risks are a major concern, as connected devices can be vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. Additionally, there are privacy implications as IoT devices collect vast amounts of personal data. Personally, I see the potential for IoT to enhance my daily life. I would consider using smart home devices to improve energy efficiency and automate routine energy efficiency and automate routine tasks. However, I would prioritize security and privacy by choosing reputable brands and implementing strong security measures. I would be cautious about using devices that collect highly sensitive personal data. I believe that with careful consideration, the benefits of IoT can outweigh the risks. In summary, IoT technology connect devices, enabling data exchange and automation. It offers convenience and efficiency but also poses security and privacy risks. It is very important to consider these risks before implementing IoT devices. In my opinion, IoT has the potential to be a powerful force for good in society. However, its impact will depend on how we address the associated challenges. If we prioritizing security, privacy, and ethical consideration, IoT can significantly improve our lives. Ultimately, I believe that the potential benefits of IoT outweigh the risks, provided that we proceed with caution and responsibility. To ensure that IoT truly becomes a force for good, it is crucial that we understand its potential risks. The digital divide can create inequalities in access to the benefits of this technology. So, we need to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy. Additionally, the security and privacy of users must be a top priority. Strong encryption, transparent data, collection policies, and regular software updates are essential to protect our personal information. Above all, we need to have to open discussions about the ethical implications of IoT and work together to develop regulations and policies that will ensure this technology is used responsibly and for the benefit of all.